What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we get a 2015 Mustang here. We're going to change the engine air filter. So let's take a look at this filter here. So we have a premium guard filter here. Let's see, there's a part number on this baby. There you go, that's the part number right there. So the filter is going to look, before you even start, well, you can pull out the old filter and look at it, but this is what the filter should look like. This is the engine filter right here. Let's take a good photo for this baby. When we do put it up, this is what it will look like. So this is the engine filter. Very simple and easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to change this. First of all, if you need the engine size, you wanna look on the sticker. This is 2.3 liter engine right here. So make sure you get the correct filter for your vehicle. And this is the filter housing right here on the driver's side. Very simple and easy. So be careful with the wire. You don't need to remove it. No disconnecting battery, no nothing. All you do is you grab this tab right here and you pull it back. Same thing here. You take this and you pull it back. After that, you see these little clips here. So this filter housing, you lift this up and you push it back and it comes out of there. And that's how simple it is to get this guy. And then you just lift it and leave it right here. And your filter is out. And this is what the filter looked like on this baby. And change it every 15,000 miles. So this filter is about 20 bucks, 23 bucks. If you got leaves and stuff in there, take them out, vacuum them. And very important, you don't want to get any dirt and debris going this way, because this right here is a MAF sensor. And the camera might not gonna be able to see it, but there you go. If any dirt and debris, okay, that's a temperature sensor. It's not a MAF sensor. MAF sensor somewhere out there. But anyways, don't get any dirt and debris on that. You take your new filter, make sure it sits nice and firm all around here, nice and good. And then all you need to do is take this little guy, bring it down, and you're gonna reinsert these little guys right here, and just push forward on it, and these will align. If these don't align, that means your filter housing, it didn't come forward completely. And with the new filter, it might be a little bit tougher to get these on because it's thicker. Same thing here. Just put this on. I'm doing this with the one hand, guys. And this thing just simply clips right on. And you're all done. You don't need to do nothing. And just come back after 15,000 miles and rechange it. Clean or no clean, just change it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video.